In this video, I'll be showing you how to attach document in Gmail. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on literally anything you're using. So I'm on my PC right now, and let's say I want to go ahead and attach something. Just go over to your browser of choice, open up Gmail, press compose, and it's going to look like this. Now, if I want to attach anything, there's two different ways to do it. So if I have something open, I can get something from a folder. Like let's say I want to go to my desktop and I want to attach this. All I'm going to do is drop the file. And then if it's a file that's like quite big, it's going to send it as a Google Drive link. I'm going to X out of that though. But what I could also do is press this attach files button right here. So I'm going to enlarge it again and you're going to see attach files. So all you want to do is go ahead and press on that and then you can attach anything you want. So let's just say I go over to my desktop and I want to attach this. Go ahead and click on it and then it's then going to be attached right here. And of course, like I said, you can attach any sort of file you want. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe and check out other tutorials on the channel as well.